installment of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, Black King Sebastian, and this is my lovely and devilish co-host, Dr. Ross.
Everything is everything.
Yamon. Let's get straight into the hot topics for today, shall we, Dr. Ross?
No, sir! Not me!
So for this installment of Rose and Gold, we're gonna switch it up a little bit. Instead of getting
Ooh, that make me so mad, I'm gonna fly to Antarctica and shoot a penguin! They're so stupid!
Instead of getting right into the hot topics, let's start it out smooth with horoscopes. This month is going to be Cancer, the symbol 69, or the crab. For Cancer of this month, they have your relationships are feeling the pressure of a stone cold Saturn. We're talking friend breakups, breakups, and good news, shit that's not working, breakups. Let's get straight into these hot topics.
That's right, Dr. Ross. Well spoken. Our first hot topic is with Kanye West. Kanye West is saying that Kim Kardashian and the doctor, they're actually trying to lock him down. But what are your thoughts on this and the Kanye West, Dr. Ross?
All we have to say for you, Kanye West, is we'll be in LA soon to see with you and the rest of the Jenner family, but stay safe, keep doing you. Let's get into
right. And Kanye West invests into the Jamaican clothing line,
Exactly.
the Jamaican jeans. These type of jeans you won't see anywhere else. These are custom. There are only 2 people in the world that have these type of jeans. So invest, Kanye. We could hook something up. That's for you, Kim. Let's move on to our next hot topic. So
I don't know what y'all... You better stop! Bitch, stop!
our next hot topic is inside Megan Fox and Machine Gun Kelly's intense new romance.
All I want to say about this is I've been seeing a lot of posts that Machine Gun Kelly has been posting. I don't know if he's doing this just to kick Brian Austin Green into the stomach, or he's actually for real about being in love with Megan Fox.
Hey, what are you doing? My keys! My keys! My keys!
He's posted multiple videos and photos of carrying her out of the bar, having picnics next to the sunset, saying that he's really in love with her.
And
so keep doing you.
Most likely, Dr. Ross, the Megan Fox is probably telling the Machine Gun Kelly to post this just to give that extra punch in the stomach, punch in the gut to the Brian Austin Green.
What's wrong with you, bro? What the heck? You tripping, bro? You tripping?
Because she already knows that he's trying to get her back and she's trying to get away from him. Let's move on to our next hot topic with the Real Housewives of New Jersey star, Gia Giudice. So she reveals that she has had plastic surgery. What are your thoughts on this, Dr. Ross?
We did mention this last Rose and Gold, and as always, Gia Giudice, you are the oldest daughter of Teresa Giudice, and all we want to say is obviously you're trying to look sexy, you're trying to look hot. The apple does not fall far from the tree. And I see that now you're going to continue into the reality show that your mother and father, well, your mother now, because Joe is somewhere out saying that he's going to fight everyone.
Look at me! I'm human! Did you bang my wife? Huh?
Well, Joe right now, he's deported. He's still in Italy right now. He's getting skinny. He's eating spaghetti and pizza. He's probably working for a TV company right now. But Joe, stop trying to fight everyone.
So basically, what I was thinking of was, oh fuck, I can't believe you've done this.
Go and ask if Teresa and the new boyfriend can come over there. That's for you, Gia and Miss Teresa. I'd love to take you out sometime. Let's move on to our next hot topic with the Katie Holmes. So Katie Holmes, she's now going to be in a new upcoming film called The Secret Dare to Dream.
Very lucky girl.
Miranda Wells, will you marry me?
Not many men would be willing to take on somebody with your baggage. I mean, 3 kids, a mountain of debt.
What are your thoughts on this, Dr. Ross?
Well, I'm glad Katie Holmes is getting some roles now. She's probably just sitting there saying, you know what, I think it's enough of me running the streets and now I have to go back to acting and what's calling me. And that's good because she sees Jamie Foxx, who, you know, left her, is also getting into the roles.
And the whole trio of them, the Jamie Foxx, he's now going to be the new boxing movie that's coming up. And
Mike Tyson.
Tom Cruise is now going to be in another Mission Impossible as well as a Top Gun. So Katie Holmes is saying, let me get my groove on. Let me go back into the acting scene.
Speaking of roles and people getting back into acting though, Vivica Fox was speaking on wanting the actress to play her daughter in Kill Bill Volume 3. She said, Tarantino, please cast Zendaya to play my daughter. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian, for the new Kill Bill?
Most likely, Dr. Ross, she's probably saying that she probably met Zendaya somewhere on another set, and now she likes Zendaya, so she wants her to get better, to evolve, to be on more sets. Ever since, well, she was on the Euphoria. Not saying anything bad about that TV show. Some people like some things, other people don't like other things. But good for you, Zendaya. If you get the new Kill Bill film, Dr. Ross and I would love to be in the film.
Tiger.
Ask Quentin if we could be in there too. Let's get into our next hot topic. And speaking about people in the acting industry, Dr. Ross, on the third go-round on this, the Marvel Studios Eternals, they have now released the release date, the cast, plot, and Angelina Jolie will play one of the main characters. What are your thoughts on this, Dr. Ross?
This is a topic that we talked about all the way from a year back on Rose and Gold. So if you've been watching us since then, props to you. But yes, we were talking about how Angelina Jolie is going to be playing a superhero or villain. They're not sure yet, but it's going to be in the new upcoming show. We're happy for you, Angelina Jolie. And as always, as we said last Rose and Gold a year back, we're ready to be in that next film.
That's
the
right,
Maleficent.
Dr. Ross. And most likely, Dr. Ross, she probably made it like Maleficent for this new film in the MCU. Congratulations on you, Miss Angelina Jolie. You might be something scandalous in the film. Dr. Ross and I would love to be in the Eternals with you. We'll be in the MCU as well. Let's move on to our next hot topic for today. Johnny Depp accused Amber Heard of cheating on him with Channing Tatum, Leonardo DiCaprio. What are your thoughts on this, Dr. Ross?
First of all, I think Johnny Depp, no offense, we love you, Johnny Depp. We love you in all your roles in the Pirates of the Caribbean. You've played amazing roles.
Captain!
Yeah?
No!
But I don't think you should be stuck on the girl that you are still in court with right now for saying that you allegedly, we don't know if it's completely true, but allegedly abused her, and you should probably move on, go see other people, because there's tons of people that are probably after you, Johnny Depp, and tons of people after her. But on to our next hot topic. We have Nicki Minaj is pregnant, and she's expecting a boy. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
Yeet? What's a yeet?
Yeet!
You look like a cartoon character to me.
Exactly.
Let's move on to our next hot topic with Tom Cruise. So fans are stunned as Tom Cruise lands a helicopter on a London golf course.
This is a corkscrew dive. It's one of the most difficult maneuvers you can pull off in a helicopter, and one that Tom Cruise learned to fly himself. It was his own real-life impossible mission, because Ethan Hunt and his team are back. It's another race against time after an operation gone wrong.
What the hell is he doing?
I find it best not to look.
As you can see, Dr. Ross, Tom Cruise is probably trying to show to Katie Holmes, now that he sees that she's going to be in a new film, he's trying to show out. He's showing her that he can get any girl that he wants. He has lines of women.
It's true.
And he's probably showing her that he has other things to do. He has better things to do, actually, because he's out there doing what he wants to do. Katie Holmes was probably still running the streets for a while, probably for a few years.
And we're proud of you, Tom Cruise, because Tom Cruise, you're going out, doing other things, showing Katie Holmes that you're not stuck over her anymore. Because that's probably what Katie Holmes thinks. She thinks that you're still moping around with Zuri, wherever she is right now, that you're still crazy about her. And that's good that now you're showing her what you did, and now you took our advice from Rose and Gold. Let's go into our last hot topic. So our last hot topic is going to be talking about how Meghan Thee Stallion, always in some kind of drama, but Meghan Thee Stallion, she had a party with some celebrities. Tory Lanez was there, and they don't know exactly what happened, but a fight broke out, and Tory Lanez was in a fight, and Meghan Thee Stallion left the party hospitalized. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
Hopefully Miss Meghan Thee
crazy.
Stallion is okay, but she probably said 10 words too much and probably got into a fight.
I actually can't see how people get into watching WWE. Oh, really? Here. Why'd you give me gloves? To catch these hands. What?
And what are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian, about this Meghan Thee Stallion?
First of all, Dr. Ross, we know, Miss Stallion, that you're involved in that daylight activity, the gang activity. And we know you're from the 5th Ward, because, so, you have tough skin, and you are the Black Stallion. That's for you. But off onto a sidebar, Miss Rebel Wilson is saying that I was paid to stay fat.
We're gonna mention you again, Rebel Wilson, because Miss Wilson, because you know we can't get enough of you. So Black King Sebastian and I, we're thinking about putting you in our new movie that's coming out. It's gonna be called Warlocks. It's about warlocks. We think you'd be a good asset in our movie.
That's right, Dr. Ross. Well spoken.
Thank you, Black.
These were all of our hot topics for today. And Meghan Thee Stallion, make sure to not to get involved in any more gang activity. Stay safe, and we hope that you get better soon in the hospital. These were all of our hot topics, and make sure to stay tuned for the roseandgold.us's Teespring store page. Right now we have a few shirts up. We'll put them right here and right here. Both of them are up, but we will be posting more at least once every month. We'll catch you guys on the next installment of Rose and Gold. That's for you, Kylie Jenner. We out.